Welcome back to Cars World '07, the channel where horsepower meets passion and where the world's most exciting machines come to life. Today we're diving into a car that effortlessly blends raw power with everyday usability. The legendary BMW E65 M5. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a whisper that says, I may look like a regular sedan, but I am anything but ordinary. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that will show you why the E65 M5 isn't just a car. It's an experience. The story of the E65 M5 starts with the 5 Series, a lineup known for its blend of luxury and sportiness. But when BMW decided to inject some adrenaline into the mix, they turned to their in-house tuning division, BMW Motorsport, later known as BMW M. What followed was a transformation so dramatic that the E65 M5 became one of the most sought-after sedans of its era. The design of the E65 M5 is a study in contrasts. When you see it from the outside, it looks like a typical 5 Series sedan, elegant and refined. However, when you pop the hood, you find a powerhouse that's ready to unleash hell on the asphalt. The E65 M5 looks like it means business with its bold lines and aggressive stance. The front end has a large air intake that feeds the beast under the hood. The headlights are sharp and angular, giving the car a predatory look. And the muscular lines that run along the body are a clear indication of the strength that lies within. The E65 M5 wasn't just about brute force, it had style too. The design is timeless, retaining its appeal even today. The E65 M5 came in 2 body styles, a sedan and a wagon, making it practical as well as powerful. The interior of the E65 M5 is a blend of luxury and sportiness. The seats are comfortable and supportive, perfect for long drives. The dashboard is driver-focused with an angled center console that houses the gear selector and other controls. The steering wheel is thick and grippy, giving you a sense of control. And the pedals are perfectly positioned for heel-toe downshifting. Everything you touch and see inside the E65 M5 screams quality. The materials are top-notch, and the fit and finish are impeccable. You're not just sitting in a car, you're sitting in a throne made of carbon fiber and Alcantara. But the real magic happens when you put your foot down. The E65 M5 is powered by a 5.0-liter V10 engine that produces 500 horsepower. This engine is a masterpiece of engineering, delivering power and a soundtrack that will make your hair stand on end. The sound of that V10 engine is something that you won't soon forget. It's a deep, throaty roar that lets everyone around you know that there's a beast in your path. Handling-wise, the E65 M5 doesn't disappoint either. The suspension is stiff and responsive, and the car hugs corners like a race car. The steering is precise, and you feel connected to the road in a way that's both exhilarating and terrifying. It's hard to believe that such a large sedan can move like this. It's nimble, it's fast, and it's incredibly stable. The E65 M5 is a technological marvel. It was one of the first production cars to feature an SMG gearbox, which is essentially a semi-automatic manual transmission. It also has cutting-edge electronics and a sophisticated all-wheel drive system that delivers power to the wheels in the most efficient way possible. The result is a car that's not just powerful, but incredibly controllable and predictable. But what really sets the E65 M5 apart is the sheer emotion that it evokes. Driving this car isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing something that's raw, unfiltered, and incredibly thrilling. The combination of power, handling, and sound creates an experience that's truly unforgettable. It's a feeling that you can't replicate, a connection that you can't ignore. The E65 M5 isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a statement that says you don't have to choose between luxury and performance, you can have both. It's a statement that says you don't have to be extreme to be fast. You can be refined and powerful at the same time. It's a statement that says you appreciate the finer things in life, but you're not afraid to get your hands dirty. In short, the E65 M5 is a statement of individuality, a statement of passion, and a statement of pure automotive brilliance. So if you ever get the chance to drive one, don't hesitate. Embrace the experience, feel the power, and enjoy the ride. Let the E65 M5 remind you why you fell in love with cars in the first place. And that's all for today's dive into the iconic BMW E65 M5. If you found this video enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Cars World 07 and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting videos. If you're a car enthusiast, we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences with us in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Keep an eye out for more thrilling content coming soon to a screen near you. Until next time, keep the pedal to the metal and never stop chasing the ultimate driving experience.